I get a oatmeal, ONB. Go to go to two.
Unreal.
What else do you need?
Okay, on that one.
What's the warranty on the mattress?
Can go up to 20 years, depending on which manufacturer. Try it.
Try it.
Of course.
For that one on the.
Really?
All set?
I'm all set, yeah.
You're gonna get this bad?
You serious?
After all this damage, hopefully you're fine.
Unreal.
So we're doing something else?
No, that was it.
That's what's
That was it.
Thank you for your business, sir.
Yeah.
Now you're done?
Yeah.
Doors that way. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
For what?
Nothing.
Exactly. Tell me a little bit about this mattress.
Well, it's a nasty mattress, one of the best mattresses.
Go to the net one.
Number one.
Want to try it?
Yeah, try
Go
it.
to two.
Just get on it.
Get on it. Get down there. Get down.
You said I could try it.
Yeah, but you can't jump from up there.
I can't?
Just come down.
I like it. I'll take it. Welcome to the store.
Go to the net one.
Free today, all day. Okay. Tom, thanks for coming into the store today. Appreciate it. We're gonna get a picture. We're gonna get a picture.
Thank you.
Ooh, all the now.
Going on, it's your boy always
Oh, yeah,
thirsty.
they should
How you
talk
doing?
again.
We got some stolen fireworks if y'all looking for some stolen fireworks. Okay, well, we're gonna try to sell these fireworks to somebody, you know what I'm saying? Happy 4th of July, yo. Thank you. They sell them over at Sam's Club for $200 on the strip.
How much is it?
I'm selling them for $100. I'm trying to get rid of these fireworks. I just, believe it or not, I just stole them from Sam's Club. They were selling them for $200. I'm just trying to get $100 for them. I walked right out the door when they didn't even see me. You sure you don't want to buy them? I'll take 50. What's that? Yeah, that's why I'm trying to get rid of them. Plus, before the cops come. All right, yo, my man, I just literally stole these from Sam's Club. You want to buy them? I don't need it. My cousin just stole these from Sam's Club. They want $200 for it. I'm only asking $100. Okay. You looking for me? Yo, what's going
Okay.
on, dog? You need fireworks?
Nah, man.
Running a special right now. 4th of July special, y'all. Got a 4th of July special going on. Fireworks. I'm letting them go for $100 right now, just because they
You
stole.
go
That's
to
the only
they
reason
want.
why. Otherwise, I'll be trying to get $150 for them. To be honest with you. My man, you interested in some stolen fireworks? I got everything you need if you're looking to blow some shit up tonight.
You all
Shit, I gotta get $100, dog.
Comment in a car.
But it's a YouTube prank anyways. We just shooting a YouTube prank. What's going on, man? I ain't gonna lie. These drugs are stolen. Like, I ain't steal them, but they is stolen.
You got the boy. Comment in a car. Bye, guys.